The officer had no idea he'd one day help build the very case law that protects Canadians' right to film, speak, and stand their ground.
You put your hands on me, I'm telling you right now. You touch me, I will hook you. Yeah, but I'm refusing to sign. I don't care. Drop the ticket on the ground, idiot. I'm telling you right now, you touch me, I will knock you right the out.
Don't let the government brainwash you with Marxism. Chinese Marxism has completely taken over this Brock University. End the Marxism. Tell your professor that Karl Marx has no business, and you have 30 million people at least that have been Marxism.
This is not about whether you agree with Fred Bracken. His opinions were his own, not ours. This is about what happened when a man tested the limits of free expression in Canada and paid the price for it.
Ask your professor about Mao Zedong. Ask your professor about the North Korean leaders who are Marxists. Ask the Cuba. Canadians are the biggest fans that go to Cuba, and you wonder why.
In the summer of 2014, one man stood alone on the steps of Fort Erie Town Hall. His message was controversial, his tone defiant, but his right to speak was guaranteed under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Still, within minutes, police were called. He was labeled a threat and banned from every piece of town property for an entire year.
Good, how are you today?
I'm good.
What do you think about being in a free country, sir?
We're good because there's a sign here.
There's nothing wrong with the sign, sir.
It's
not against the case, it's not, brother. It's not, I swear it isn't against the law, brother. You better correct you better ask for a server. It doesn't matter, brother. I know the law. You might want to tell him this is Freddie Bracken here, and I know the law. You dare to do anything about it, brother? I'll be sued.
We're gonna say you move along.
No, I'm not moving it. I'm not moving it.
He'd been warned once already. Now he's daring them to make it official.
Okay,
No.
You're not gonna be able to stand here.
Well, you arrest me then.
It's a moment of pure conviction, the point where free speech meets the badge.
This is great.
I don't want to arrest you.
The officer says he doesn't want to arrest him, but every word after that feels like a threat wrapped in politeness.
Hey, bro, if I told you to is that against the law?
It's just this
Doesn't matter, brother. You're being politically correct.
Here,
I don't care. I'm on free property, brother. I'm on the right to. You might want to check with Chief McGuire. Bro, I ain't moving. I ain't moving. You arrest me. You arrest me. We'll go to court for false. No, we'll go. You arrest me, and I'll sue you for false arrest. You sue me for false arrest. Well, it doesn't matter. Swearing in a public place. I have the case law.
I'm just going to show you. Loitering.
Bro, this is a protest by charter. Are you crazy? Well, then arrest me, and I'll charge you with false arrest. Brother, why don't you tell him it's Freddie Bracken? I know my laws. You should be embarrassed, and you should be upholding my rights under the Police Service Act.
Get your finger out of my face.
Then quit getting close to me.
Then, another officer appears. He has a ticket ready. A ticket for loitering.
It's not that we're going to arrest you.
Yeah, you arrest me, goof.
Give you a ticket for loitering.
No, give me a ticket for loitering. I ain't moving. I'll fight this, brother. Okay, well, then give me a ticket for loitering, and I'm going to file a constitutional challenge. You're going to lose, brother.
Do you have any ID?
Brother, I'm Fred Bracken. Okay. You've heard me before. Tell Jeff McGuire. They're going to tell you. They're going to tell you to uphold my charter rights under the Police Service Act.
In that instant, the calm is gone. Two instincts collide: control and defiance.
You should be embarrassed of yourself. Where do we live, brother? Where do we live?
He says it like a reflex, brother, not as an insult. Just the way some people talk, human to human. But the officer cuts him off. I'm not your brother.
Not your brother.
Where do we live? No, you're right. You're a tyrant piece of shit. How many people you beat up? How many people you beat up? How many people you beat up, idiot? What do you think it's like working with Kathy Edgecombe and Paul Zarafinitis who commit deadly? I can call you anything I want. You're a tyrant. You want to arrest me for my speech, free speech? Go ahead.
And that's the problem, isn't it? What kind of policing turns brother into a threat? What kind of de-escalation starts by denying connection?
I know the case law. People can tell cops to. I can say anything. No, I'm not going to let you speak because you got nothing good to say. Give me the ticket for loitering and beat it. You're wasting taxpayers. You're wasting taxpayers' money. Doesn't matter where I live, brother. Where the f you live? You're going on YouTube. You're a tyrant. You're going on YouTube. Good. This isn't going to look too good, brother. You're going to look like you're out of China.
No, I'm not.
You piece of. You are. Then why aren't you telling people that I have the right to do it? Why aren't you telling people I have the right to do it?
You're going to be on YouTube.
Of course, brother. You're trying to give me a ticket for loitering. You're not upholding my rights. Because you're a goof. Because you're a goof. All of you guys are goofs. No, for respect for. How many crimes you commit, brother? How many crimes you commit? How many crimes you commit in your life? Big red-headed tyrant. Smile to YouTube, idiot. You're not. If you respect me, you wouldn't even have showed up. You would have said I had the right to free speech. You come and tell me to move it. It's vulgar. You're vulgar. You're vulgar. Go beat it. You on the juice? You on the juice? It's either chocolate milk. You're on the juice, bud. Look at these guns. See, they don't test for juice. So why don't you beat it, you little tyrant, or arrest me?
You could just have some respect.
Beat it? No, there's no respect, bro. I have the right to free speech.
Right in our face.
You have the right to free. You're politically correct. yourself with your
hanging
political
out here.
critics. Brother, I'm here for 2 hours.
You're looking to draw.
Brother, I have the right to free speech, idiot. I have the right to free speech.
There's absolutely no reason for this.
I have no reason for protesting? Brother, you know what, buddy? You know what, buddy? You're a tyrant. Don't touch my sign. Don't touch my property, idiot. Get off the juice, idiot. Get off the juice, tyrant.
He walks off, not to de-escalate, but to dominate. A ticket. For what exactly? Filming? Speaking? Standing on public ground. This is what happens when training runs out and ego takes over. When serve and protect becomes punish and control. They don't know the law, not really. Not the charter, not the meaning of 2B, not what this country promises its citizens. The right to speak truth to power without fear of a badge.
Hey, you know my definition, eh? You're supposed to give me a loitering. If I don't move, you got to give me another one. And I can't wait to call you. What is this, a fine? I can't wait to. I'm putting you idiots under oath. You fucking clowns are going under oath.
As the officer keeps writing, Fred tells him, "I'll be putting you under oath." He doesn't mean right now. He means later, in court. The cop shrugs it off, unaware that those words would come true. Years later, this very encounter became part of Bracken v. Fort Erie, 2017 ONCA 668. The landmark case that ruled peaceful protest on public property is protected under Section 2B of the Charter. The officer had no idea he'd one day help build the very case law that protects Canadians' right to film, speak, and stand their ground.
Jackboot thugs, go
Stand behind
go
me.
yourself,
I'm not
piece of.
behind me.
Oh, I ain't comfortable with you, bud. You're the organization that allows you guys to beat the shit out of the public. The public don't trust you. I can stand right here. I'm on public property. Buddy, just arrest me if I'm doing something you don't like, bud. I don't care. I'm 5 feet from you right now. You're a real piece of shit. Give me a loitering ticket for being involved in my free speech. You tell me. Doesn't matter. You figure it out, you idiots. You figure it out, you clowns. Oh, you're on the juice for sure. Oh, yeah, for sure.
The officer continues to match the escalating citizen. We can all agree Fred did not hold back. However, Fred is not paid by the people to be professional. The police officers are. He confirms one more time that there are two sides. The police on one side, and the people on the other.
They call the police because they don't like my sign. Well, no free speech, idiot. Free speech for those. I love it. Only free speech for the people that we agree with, but no free speech for the people that we don't. Oh, I can't wait to put this. This is evidence before the judge, too.
Justice of the peace, not a judge.
Doesn't matter who it is, bud. You don't got to correct me, bro. You don't even know the law. Otherwise, you wouldn't be giving me a loitering ticket. Okay? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. No, oh no, I'm not a fellow cop, right? That's the only one who could call you a brother, eh? You got to get this mentality, man. You're not a sitting army, asshole.
This is where the interaction almost turns to violence. The officer attempts to serve the ticket, and Fred has made it clear he is not accepting it. The officer continues to approach as Fred backs away. This is what happens next.
But if I said you don't got to explain nothing to me.
I don't know if this is going to make it on the camera because you probably just edited it out. But
No, it will, idiot.
Right,
It will, idiot. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, but I'm refusing to sign.
And then look it right on camera, but you'll probably.
I'm refusing to sign. No, I won't say anything. Don't even. You don't even get anywhere near me. You're a piece of shit. Put the ticket down there. Put the ticket down there. Put the ticket down there. Don't even get close to me.
You have signed.
No, don't get close to me, bud.
So do you want?
I ain't taking the ticket. I ain't taking the ticket, idiot.
Well, it's been. You got it on camera.
I don't care. Drop the ticket on the ground, idiot. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
There you go.
Don't touch me. I ain't taking the
No, you
ticket.
don't want to take it?
No, I don't. You can drop it on the ground. It said, that's right. Keep the ticket, idiot. Why don't you keep the ticket? I'll go to Church Street and get one myself. I'll go get another one, okay, Mr. Flynn? You don't know the law. Don't you're not allowed to touch you. You touch me, I get in self-defense. You put your hands on me, I'm telling you right now. You touch me, I will hook you. I'm telling you right now. You touch me, I will knock you right the out. Don't touch me. You're getting too close, idiot. So go put the ticket down over. No, sir. Don't call me sir. I can't call you brother. Don't call me sir. Go yourself.
There you go,
Go
sir.
yourself, idiot. You're a. I ain't taking the ticket. No, I don't want the ticket, idiot. No, I ain't taking the ticket. Go yourself. No, you're not. You've never been civil. Get the pin out of your ass, you juice pig. Go yourself.
Trying to just hand you this.
Listen, holy. You're not gonna get me to leave, idiot. So don't touch me. You jackbooted thug.
You can hold that sign up.
Yeah, I can do. No, because I don't want to do anything with you, idiot. You're a goof. Put the ticket down. You're allowed to. Just put it down. You don't have to give it to me. But what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, bro? Do you want to go at it? Is that what it is? Do you want to put your hands? Do you want to go at it? Just put your hands on me. Is that what you want to do, bro? Just do it then. Let's go at it. Put your hands on me and let's go on it. Exactly. So that's right. Low grade. Do it. But listen, bro, I ain't touching you. You can't force me to touch you. If you put your hands on me, you're committing the common law tort of assault, and I will engage in self-defense right automatically. Okay? No, bro, I don't have to take the ticket. I don't have to take the ticket, idiot. Listen, you're trying to. This ain't going to play the justice of the peace. That's either constitutional or it's not. So you're trying to play like you're a playboy now. You're a piece of shit. So put the ticket down and let me get on with my protesting. You're wasting the money.
I really do hope you show.
Yes, I will show the video, brother. Do you not realize that my content of expression doesn't matter, brother? As long as it's within the law, buddy.
Just take your ticket.
I ain't taking the ticket, idiot. So go fuck yourself. If you touch me from behind, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to open the sign. You touch me from behind, there's going to be problems. There's going to be problems. I'm telling you right now. You touch me, listen. You're a real. You got ADHD, bud? You got ADHD? What are you doing, bro? What the are you doing, man?
Trying to hand you the
like
ticket.
Deep down, bro, when you don't got the badge, you're a fucking citizen. Would you do this to me if you didn't have the badge?
Hand you your ticket.
Goof, get the away from me. Or touch me.
I'm not trying to
get away from me or touch me, bro. We'll go at it right here. See how tough you are. Then get out of here. Then get out of here. Either commit the common law tort of assault, or I don't have to. There's nothing in the law that states I have to. So get out of here. Send it to my house. Mail it. You have my address on file.
Here's your ticket.
I ain't taking it, idiot. I ain't taking it.
It's going to be on file, okay?
You already told me that how many times, idiot?
I told you twice.
You told me 10 times. Okay, so can you get out of here? Can you get out of here, idiot?
Continue to be disrespectful.
Yeah, no, it's not disrespect. You're disrespecting my charter rights. Our soldiers didn't fight for this, brother. Hang your head in shame. You think our soldiers fought because they don't want me to hold the word on a sign? Go f yourself. Go f yourself. I ain't taking the ticket. So that's it.
You can show this video across YouTube, and
you're an idiot, bud. Buddy. You can't bring the NRP reputation down any lower than it is, brother. We don't trust you. You guys have 25 cops that have been Nathan Parker, Kathy Edgecombe, Ryan Whale. You're a idiot.
I got nothing but patience.
You're
continue to be disrespectful.
Buddy, I can do whatever I want. You're disrespectful. So yourself. Buddy, you're a cop. You're a goof. Don't touch me. Telling you touch me, I'm gonna drop you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm just trying to
Then go. Okay? Then give me the ticket, idiot. Okay? But if you touch me, I'm gonna knock you right out. I'm telling you right now. There you go. Somehow you want to drop the ticket, give the ticket. You can't touch me though, bro. There you go. Okay? There you go, idiot. Go f yourself, you goof. Okay? Good. How are you? How are you? Good. Mister, what's that?
You've been asked to leave the premises?
I can't. They can't make me leave.
Yes, you can.
How can they do that?
Trespass to Property Act, you have to leave.
By having a protest out here?
You have to leave.
How is that?
You have to leave the property. If you do not leave the property, you'll be placed under arrest for trespassing. Do you understand that?
Okay, and let me ask you this. What's the process of trespassing? Just to make it clear to my viewers here, all I was doing was talking. I wasn't going inside. I was just running my alarm.
As a member of this town, asked you to leave from this property.
Okay, that's fine, but this is public property. My property taxes paid for it.
No.
Okay.
Anyone acting under the authority that they're working here asks you to leave this property, you have to leave.
For no reason.
For no reason.
Now what happens if you put me under arrest? Do I just go to do you at least release me here, or what happens?
I take you off the property and release you on a ticket.
Okay, then you know what? I think we're going to do that then, because I don't think you have any grounds. I've been protesting. I haven't been inside. I protested here before.
To leave the property.
I don't understand why this is public.
Are you refusing?
Is this public property?
It's public property.
Okay, so you can't kick me off public property. How can the government trespass me off public property?
Because people that are acting under the authority that they work here.
That's fine, but I'm not inside causing trouble.
Okay, you know what?
Okay, I'll put this down, officer. Yeah, I'll submit to arrest. No problem.
You're under arrest.
Okay, thank you. Good. I've never been inside. Yeah, I've never been inside.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, that's fine. So you're telling me they can put anybody under arrest for no reason, just so they don't want you here?
They can ask you to leave.
For what reason though?
What? For trespassing.
How am I trespassing? I'm coming to watch the vote tonight, officer.
They've asked you to leave and you haven't left.
I'm coming to participate in the meeting tonight.
Do you have ID?
So, no I don't. But Chief Detective Chang knows who I am. Wow, so public servants can call to get a private citizen taken off the property because he's protesting.
After that ticket and arrest, Fred Bracken didn't back down. He took the town of Fort Erie to court, challenging the trespass notice that banned him from town hall. At first, he lost. But on appeal, The Ontario Court of Appeal overturned that decision in Bracken v. Fort Erie 20170 NCA 668, ruling that his protest was protected under Section 2B of the Charter, and that public spaces like town halls are places where free expression must be allowed. Years later, it's been reported that Fred Bracken died in Cambodia. We're not here to judge, only to document, and even through death, his name continues to echo across Canada's legal system, reminding us that one person's stand can shape the rights of an entire nation.